Yes, children, here the first numerical of the day we are going to discuss is find the ninth term from the end of the AP 5, 9, 13, etc. up to 185. This is from the previous year question paper of CBSE year 2016. Now here observe A is considered as 185 because we are finding from the last. Ninth term we are finding from the last, and common difference observe 9 minus 5, that is A2 minus A1 we taken it as 4. My dear children, remember 4 is the common difference from the beginning, but common difference from the end it is considered as negative of 4. Therefore, A9 we are finding ninth term of the AP is A plus 8D. Substitute the values. A is 185 plus 8 multiplied by negative of 4, which gives you 8. 4 is 32. 185 minus 32 gives you 153 is the ninth term from the end of the given arithmetic progression. Yes, dear children, second numerical we are going to discuss is for what value of k plus 9, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1 are consecutive terms of an AP. So here, remember consecutive means a continuous terms. So I taken k plus 9 as A1, 2k minus 1 as A2, 2k plus 7 as A3, and recall the general form of finding the common difference in the arithmetic progression. So difference of second term and first term, third term and second term we are finding here. So I substituted the values A2 as 2k minus 1 minus of means what? Open the bracket, separate the term. A1 is k plus 9 and A3 is 2k plus 7 minus of 2k minus 1 here. I removed the brackets on both the sides. Minus into plus is minus k, minus into plus is minus 9 equals on right hand side minus into plus minus 2k minus into minus is plus 1. Now children, on right hand side plus 2k minus 2k I cancelled. 7 plus 1 gives you 8 here. Next 2k minus k gives you 1k, and minus 1 and minus 9 I shifted to right. They became plus 1 and plus 9. Now by adding all the three, we got k value as 18 here. Now dear, similar type of the question. For what value of k will the consecutive terms of 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1 form an AP, they said. So now I considered the three terms as A1, A2 and A3. A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 I considered. So 3k plus 3 minus 2k plus 1 equals 5k minus 1 minus of 3k plus 3 I considered. Now you just remove these brackets here. Minus into plus is minus 2k, minus into plus is minus 1 equals 5k minus 1, minus into plus is minus 3k, minus into plus gives you minus 3. Now children, here 3k minus 2k gives you 1k, and then 3 minus 1 gives you plus 2. Please remember, like terms I am making group. 5k minus 3k gives you 2k, and then here this minus 1 minus 3 gives you minus 4 here. Now again you make the group of like terms, shift it to one side. 2k minus 1k I written on one side, and 2 minus 4 you shift to left, it becomes plus 4. Therefore your k value will be equal to 6. So simple numerical, my dear children. Now children, here next numerical we are discussing is how many terms of the AP 18, 16, 14, etc. be taken so that their sum is 0. Understand the question properly. Sn equals 0. Sum of the terms means Sn is 0, A is 18, D is 16 minus 18, which gives you negative of 2, and number of terms you have to find. Recall the formula for Sn, children. Sn equals n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. Sum of the terms is 0. N by 2 equals 2 into 18 plus n minus 1 multiplied by negative of 2 I taken. First I shifted 2 to right hand side. 0 into anything is 0. Next n is taken as it is. 18 2 is 36. Minus into plus is minus 2n. Minus into minus is plus 2. Next I shifted n to left hand side. It comes to denominator. 0 by anything is also 0. Equals what left? 36 plus 2 is 38 minus 2n. Now 38 you shift to another side. Minus 38 divided by minus 2 gives you number of terms as 19 here. How many terms of the AP 27, 24, 21, etc. should be taken so that their sum is 0 here? So try to identify given here, children. A first term is 27. Common difference is second term minus first term, which gives you 24 minus 27 as negative of 3. Sn is 0. Sum of all the terms is 0, they said. N number of terms is question mark. So identify the formula. Sn equals n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. Sn is 0. N we don't know, divided by 2 multiplied by 2 into 27 plus n minus 1 multiplied by negative of 3. Now 27 n by 2. N by 2 you shift to right hand, it will become 2 by n. 2 by n multiplied by 0 is 0 only. Equals 27, 2 is 54. Minus into plus is minus 3n. Minus into minus is plus 3. Now 54 plus 3 gives you 57. Shift to left hand, minus 57 divided by minus 3 gives you n, which can be written as minus into minus is plus. 19 3s are 57. Therefore, number of terms is 19 here. Right, children, here how many terms of the AP 65, 60, 55, etc. be taken so that their sum is 0? So 2016 paper, different zones we are discussing. A is 65, D is 60 minus 65, which gives you a negative of 5. Sn is 0, n is question mark. So Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. 0 equals n by 2 multiplied by 2 into 65 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is minus 5. Now n by 2 you shift to left hand. 2 by n into 0 gives you 0 equals 65. 2 is 130. Minus into plus minus 5n. Minus into minus plus 5. Now my dear children, 130 plus 5 is 135. Shift to another side, negative of 135 divided by minus 5. So minus into minus plus 27 you are getting. So the number of terms is 27 here.